Hello mga guys, welcome to our channel. We are now ready to go have this adventure. Tingnan natin kung totoo ba yung sabi nila na may star ng hapon. Inside the cave there is star. Tingnan natin, we will observe and witness that star sa mga Japanese soldier noon. So let's witness and let's see, let's discover that undiscovered cave in Chuuk. Let's go! Okay, andyan na sila. What? Tago nyo yung umbrella nyo. Kayo lang nag-ano dyan. Halatang halata. Pinoy. Okay, that's what we call Winnipot Mountain. Medyo bumpy, pero okay lang. Ay nako. Ouch. Yeah. Okay. Malapit na tayo. Wala close. That's the Winnipot Mountain, the highest mountain in Chuuk. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang. Ay. Okay. Excited. We are rolling. Ito, Mama Inday. Okay. At si Novi, ang mga adventurer ngayon. Okay, going up. Now, we're asking permission from the one who's taking care the land. May yung cave na yan, may caretaker, at ito siya. So we're asking permission, but it's good because the culture here is there's a little bit similar with Filipino culture, lalo na sa tribo sa Philippines. There's similarity. You have to ask permission. At ito na ang mga baboy nyo, baboy. Yeah. Naku, I'm excited to see that star. I don't know what's the meaning. I don't know. Only Japanese soldiers can explain what's the meaning, or maybe that's an officer, because we're going to see how many stations inside the cave. They said it's 3 stations, meaning 3 officers. I don't know. You can research further about Second World War. Ito na. Ito yung pintuan. Yan. So, nagbibigay sa atin instruction ang guide. Siya po ay si Castino Castin. Okay. What? Let's go. Let's go inside. Mama, are you ready? Are you excited? Baka may ginto yun. Okay, come in, come in. Woo! Kung may ano pala, may rules na pag pumasok ka o papasok ka ng cave, huwag kang sisigaw, don't shout inside the cave. Maybe some particles will collapse the time you shout. The reason is vibration. Science konti. Oh, ingat, ingat. Ulo nyo, ulo nyo. Okay. Ouch. Oh, may ibon. Ito yung tinatawag nila. Ano, balisayaw sa atin. Ayaw ko yan ngayon. Maraming balisayaw sa akin. Ang gusto ko lang tingnan ngayon ay ang star. Ano ba yung baka ginto? Sige, sige, sige. Dahan-dahan lang mga kasama. Kuya Ruli. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, ito po ah. Ay, saan? Aha, ito yung ano, this is a man-made channel cave. This was built during Second World War. It was built by Japanese soldier. Yung mga empire. Ingat, ingat, ingat. Maraming napakaraming cave sa amin. But this is my first time na may mga ganitong purma sa amin. But ito, man-made talaga. Hindi to natural. Sa amin mga natural cave yun. At napakaraming balinsa sa'yo. Ito, oh, that's roots. Roots, no? May puno sa taas. Eh, dito, lumabas. Let's continue. Continue, continue. Ako, baka ginto yung ano. Maybe that's a gold star. I don't know. Now, if one of the Japanese would see this presentation, you can comment below what's the meaning of that star. I'm excited to see that star. They said during our interview, I asked one of the locals here. They said that that's an officer, a Japanese soldier. Wow, it's a high position officer. Okay, okay. Whoop. Woo. Woo. Okay. Okay, careful and be careful. Careful of your head. Careful. Oh, yeah, yeah. Right. Yeah, that's nest. I don't know. Maybe that's nest. Oh, this is now the station. Wow, look at the what's that? Foundation. Still strong. Wow, Japanese people, look at your structure here. How you built this one so strong, man. Where's the star? Oh, over there. Over there. Over there. Oh, that's the star. I don't know what's the meaning. Maybe when we go back to the place where there is signal, then we're going to search what's the meaning of that. We are see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 start talaga. You need to preserve this cave, my friend. Yeah. Look how strong. This is what? Third station. Okay. Or this is middle, right. So that's the star. Wow. Naalala ko yung Second World War. 1942 ba yata yan? If you remember the Second World War, yung sabi ng hailstone bombing dito sa Chuk, no? Lagoon. Ako, uwi na lang tayo. Dahan-dahan, kuya, dahan-dahan. Let's go. At least, satisfied ako. Nakita ko na yung star. Alright. So see, look. Paano nila ginawa tong channel na to? Ako. Maybe it took long time digging this channel here. Alright. Sige na. Labas na tayo. Pahinga muna, pahinga. Diyan ka sa labas, kuya. Pahinga muna si wifey at saka si Sunny. Kumanta? Singing time. Ito po yung mga kaibigan. Cave dito sa Wanip Tool. Wala nang switch tong flashlight ko eh. Maliwanag na, so hindi na natin to kailangan. Tapo na lang kaya natin to. Lagay natin sa bag. May sugat ako. Tingnan nyo. Maliit. Maliit lang. That's part of our activity. Okay, labas. Let's go na. Let's go back. Dahan-dahan, mama. Novi. Yup. Yeah. Alright, dyan. Yan. Okay. That's it. Painom ng tubig, boy. Right. So, I like the culture here. Very hospitable people. So, thank you, my friend. Ayan, dyan si kuya. Ano nangyari, kuya? Naku. Damage ang niya. Ano ba yung chinilas? Ano ba yung chinilas sa Tagalog? Chinilas pa rin. Chinelas. Buenas. Chinelas. Uwi na tayo. Dahan-dahan, mama. Dahan-dahan. Novi. Dahan-dahan. You know, my friends, ito yung pinaka-interesting dito sa Chuk. I don't know, but so far, maybe this is the only island na walang there's no snake. Yan, kahit magrampa ka sa mga damuhan, kung saan-saan, sa gubat dito, walang snakes. Nako, wow. Tandaan nyo, hindi ako marunong magano ha. Hahabulin ko kayo. Ay. Yan na. Oh. Look at that. Ah. What's that? Oh. Ano? Chukis apples. Oh, ito yung tinatawag nila dito na Chukis apple. Nobe. Alright. Dahan-dahan lang, boy. Dahan-dahan. Slowly, slowly. Slowly. Naku. Itong mga adventure style natin. Ay. Okay. Naku. Oh, you're supposed not to climb. So sure. Alright. Go ahead, Dobby. Harvest. Yeah, we already asked permission. No problem. Right. Pahingi, boy. Yung malalab na untol. Yung malalab na untol, oh. Sarap. Kaya kagngaranan to. Nakay mo kagngaranan tat. Pagngaranan na ito sa inyo. Makupako, buwama. Makupa. Kahukpo, nakoy. Nalingod. Sinanay riyak na nagtaka kay Wisiku. Si Dato Sakikal. Nagtaka nakoy ngaran to sa inyo. Purutas. They call it Chukis apple. Alright. So it's free. Woo! Free, COVID free. Ito na. Yep. Let's go. At least, thank you my friend. Thank you. Alam nyo dito, walang no, there's nothing to fear because no snakes. Woo. Ewan ko, maybe next adventure namin i-search ko kung I'm going to search do an experiment. Ito na, pauwi na. Okay, hingi ka na ng kuya, bigay na ng thank you my friends. Thank you. Oh, isang sugat. Nako. Hirap talaga mag-video man. Baka mag-apply ako sa Nako, ano yan? Sige. Ito yung wifi ko. Pag pagod ito siya. Yan lang yung technique niya eh. That's her technique. Sing. Uy. Oo. Papi. Bo. Wag mong tilapan yung ko. Wag mong tilapan yung sugat ko. Ay, mga aso dito, mga kaibigan, dyan sa Pinas, walang rabies. Ewan ko, mayroon siguro. One time, nakagat ako ng aso. Ano ba yan, nakagat? Kinagat ka eh. Ano yan? Kinagat. Nakagat at aso. Yan yung dito. Oh, Nobi. Ito Snowy, lover to ng papi. Kuya. Oo, mas lover si kuya. Oo. Close na kayo, kuya. Oo. Baka pareho na kayo ng baho, Joke.
dito movie, dito pelikula, eh walang problema masali yung ano, paghihinga ko. Ay, practice do practice. I-adventure nga eh. Iba. Alright, bye-bye!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell for you to be updated of our next videos.